Are you looking for an amazing zero entry townhome with 9-foot ceilings and a 3-car garage right in Sturgis? It's just 2 minutes from the elementary school, 5 minutes to the middle school, 5 minutes to downtown, and just 5 minutes to the interstate. This is the location. This place is amazing. It's a very well established neighborhood, and this townhome is about $400,000. It's stunning. Let's take a tour. All right, right when you walk in, you have a nice coat closet and a bedroom and a bathroom right here. All right, then in here you have a nice big mudroom. You can put a locker system here, laundry room right over here. And then, as I was telling you before, this garage does not disappoint. Look at this giant garage. And also all the utilities are right over there. And so everything's on the main level. So your furnace and everything's in there. All right, this is a very popular floor plan, and you'll see why in just a second. Check this kitchen out. It is awesome. Corner pantry, giant island, and then dining room right there. We got an 8-foot Anderson slider, 9-foot high ceilings, 6-foot tall windows, and look at the fireplace. Beautiful place for the TV, just wide open, incredible layout. People love this layout. Look out here. You have a giant deck with no maintenance. You got views on both sides of the hills. Then right off the kitchen, you have this very large master. It's about 14 by 14. Transom window there, put your bed right down here. Then in here you have a great bathroom. Look at this 8-foot vanity. Double mirrors, and then we put a window in the center. Check that out, pretty cool. And then you have a big walk-in closet over here. In here you have, kind of a separate area where you can go to the bathroom, take a shower. You have this beautiful tile shower in here. And you have a linen in here so you can store all your shampoos, etc. there. All right, we built 6 of these townhomes and we have 2 left. We have a 3-bed, 2-bath model in this 2-bed, 2-bath model, $410,000. If you're looking for something like this, all the contact information is below. Reach out and let's get you in a beautiful townhome like this.